Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can avoid errors while upgrading your Microsoft Office from an older to a newer version. In this video I was trying to install Office 2024 over 2010 and it gave me this error. So if you are also facing the same error, follow these steps. I'll be using Revo uninstaller to uninstall Office first. So this is very important because a proper uninstallation is required for a clean installation of a newer version of Office. So you can also use the free version of this tool and follow the process to uninstall it. The benefit of using Revo uninstaller is that it will remove all the registry leftovers which the normal uninstallation process cannot do in Windows. So follow the steps exactly as shown. These are the redundant registry files which it will delete. Now once done, you have to restart your computer. Once you properly uninstall the older version of Office, you can continue with the installation of the newer version. You can watch the video from the link given in the video description and install your preferred version of Office. So if you follow this method, you won't get any errors while installing Office. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.